Today we're making cheesy garlic buns with a crispy top and a garlicky aroma that'll have your mouth watering. Let's dive right in and get baking. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius, 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the top off a garlic head, drizzle with olive oil, and bake it covered for 15 minutes until soft and fragrant. Let the garlic cool slightly. Then peel and mash the cloves into a paste with the leftover olive oil. Mix the garlic paste with softened butter, salt, and chili flakes until smooth. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Butter the bottom of your buns or bread slices, place them on the tray, and spread the garlic butter on top. Sprinkle with pizza cheese and mixed herbs. Reduce the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and golden. Serve hot and enjoy these crispy, cheesy garlic buns as a snack or side dish. Subscribe our channel for more recipes.